In this example, the manager of a paint store wants to estimate the mean amount of product sold per day. 28 business days are monitored to find an average of 57 gallons sold daily. The sample standard deviation is 15 gallons. We want to find a 95% confidence interval. In the instructions, it states specifically to use a t-distribution, but we may assume that the underlying population is normally distributed. So we don't have to worry in this case whether we should use a z or a t-distribution. A t-distribution is indicated specifically. So what is the 95% confidence interval? We're going to round our answers to one decimal place. So we're going to give a lower bound and an upper bound. Well, this is a t-distribution, so again we go to our red and we're going to enter in the information that we know. What is our sample size? Well, if you read the instructions, we're told that 28, well, let's go back to the problem right here. 28 business days right here. So let me update my problem right here. 28. It's 28. Business days are, notice that in 57 gallons with a sample of 50. Okay, so here we go. Sample size. That means 28 is our sample size because we're sampling the business day itself, not the number of business days, right? We will actually want to find our mean in terms of number of gallons sold. So our sample mean is 57 gallons and a standard deviation of 15 gallons. What is our confidence level? 0.95 for the 95% confidence level, and there we go. Critical values, margin of error. The only thing we're interested in here is our interval, and we see that our interval 51.18, so we're going to round this to one decimal place, so let's go ahead and do that. It says to give our upper and lower bounds, so it looks like in order right here we're going to say that we have 51.2 gallons as our lower bound and 62.8 gallons. So what does this mean? Well, our interpretation is that we're 95% confident that the true population mean of number of gallons sold per day will be between 51.2 and 62.8 gallons. Well, there's a 5% chance that we're wrong in that estimate, but we're looking to find whether or not we can, at what level we can be confident that this result is what we're looking for. And it is 95% confident between 51.2 and 62.8 gallons. That's the answer we're looking for, and so we're done.